पर है कहाँ वो जिसका वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ वही पास में नहीं है। Stupid.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After so many days, I'm vlogging finally. Okay. So do you guys know why I am happy this much? I am happy by seeing your response to my previous two travel vlogs, which is North Goa and South Goa vlog. If you guys have not watched that yet, the link is in description box below. So I'm so happy to see the response. I mean, the views, the likes, the comments, everything is so good on it, and I'm very thankful for your love and support, and keep supporting like that. Also, you guys have seen that इतना अच्छा setup नहीं था. I mean, the videos were little quirky. So setup से याद आया, I am planning to buy a mic. So you can suggest me some good mics since I don't have a lot of knowledge. I am doing a research on that. I will search some good mics. I'll see the reviews and then I'll buy. So if you know and if you're experienced in it, or if you know a good mic setup or something like that, you can suggest me in the comment section down below. So as you guys have seen that before going to Goa, I did a facial for looking good there, and it quite worked very I mean pretty well. So the link is in description box below if you have not watched that video as well. तो यार सबकी प्रमोशन कर रही हूँ, सब वीडियोस देख लो, जो नहीं देखे और देखे फिर भी फिर से देख लो. Okay, so the one thing which I forgot when I went to Goa, मतलब गोवा जाने से पहले मैंने एक फेस मास्क ऑर्डर किया था. इट वॉज अ नॉर्मल फेस मास्क. आई प्लान टू डू दैट, बट मैं इतना गोवा मोड में चली गई कि वो आने के बाद वीडियोस का एडिटिंग एंड देन अपलोडिंग द पिक्चर्स ऑफ इट एंड ऑल दैट, मैं उसमें वो भूल गई. कैसे मुझे याद नहीं. हाँ, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द रिव्यू ऑफ द सेम. सिंस So the mask which I am going to try today, it is a Garnier Serum Sheet Mask Sakura White. It's a pinkish white tissue mask. पर है कहाँ वो जिसका वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ वही पास में नहीं है. Stupid.
को पैसा बर्बाद.
Okay, so this is the mask which we are going to try, and it is for priced 75 rupees. First it was for 99, but now normal stores में भी I think 75 rupees ही है, and I have bought it online. So let's get started with the masking process, and in the video and after the masking I'm also going to tell you some common mistakes which we do while masking. So keep watching this video for further details. So guys, let's get started with our masking process. Let me tie up my hair. So the first step we need to keep in mind is we need to clean our face completely. So now I don't have any sort of a makeup on my face, it's just lip balm, and that's okay. So we'll start with the process. Okay, so here we have two layers, the one which is the blue color one and the second one is the white one. So on the packaging itself they have mentioned that the blue layer should be facing outwards and the white layer should be inwards to your skin, and this is like that. So this is the blue layer and this is the white layer, and you need to apply it. So yes guys, I have applied the mask. So some people store this excess serum in the refrigerator. It is completely fine to keep it, but do not keep it for more than one day. If you want to use it on the next day, then it's fine to keep to store this in a small bottle, and then you can keep it in the fridge as well. And you can also keep the mask in the fridge before applying to reduce the puffiness of your face. I'm looking like a ninja dude. So we'll wait for 5 more minutes and then we'll remove the mask. So yes guys, 20 minutes are over and now we are going to remove the mask. forget to massage it in a circular motion so that the serum absorbs completely. Mask is completely dried and you can see a subtle glow on my face. You might be feeling your skin sticky. That is just because of the serum. No need to wash your face. It's completely fine. So we are done with it. So my skin is feeling very refreshing and I am looking very glowy like a fruit, and the mask has completely worked, so you can try this as well and let me know your views in the comment section below. So now let us move on to the next part of our video. So the common mistakes which we do while masking is, the first mistake is that we don't check the expiry dates. We girls are so excited while trying any sort of a makeup product that हम भूल जाते हैं कि expiry date क्या है. Usually the expiry dates for masks are 2 years after the manufacturing date, and it normally date ऐसा mention भी किया होता है, but still for your knowledge I am telling you the same. So you should check the expiry date, otherwise करके भी कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. It can do a reverse process on your face and also damage your face as well. So the second common mistake which we girls do, that we think कि mask फिर से use करने से और better results, or if something if the serum is remaining in the mask or something like that, we can reuse the mask. No, it is very much wrong, because अगर आपने फिर से वो mask use किया, then the dirt from our the dirt which was there on our face and which is removed due to the mask, again it will stick on the face, and फिर use क्या है फिर वो use करने के बाद
बस बेटी तेरे शब्द अदल बदल गए
वेस्ट हो जाएगा. ये बोलना है मुझे.
कि क्या चंबल तो वर्ड्स खेल रहा है.
Okay, so the third mistake which we do is we should not apply, we should not keep the mask for more than 20 to 30 minutes. You have also seen that in my, while I was doing the mask, I also kept that for only 20 minutes. Max to max 30 minutes चल जाएगा, but उससे ज़्यादा नहीं चलेगा. Because if you are thinking like the mask ज़्यादा time रहने से better absorb होके better results मिलेंगे, so it is wrong. Because the fourth mistake which we do, that अभी मेरे जैसे लोग जो बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी हैं, 20 मिनट क्या करेंगे बीच में, इसीलिए एक झपकी मार लेते हैं, बट दैट इज़ ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. सो वाइल मास्किंग यू शुड कीप इन माइंड दैट बाकी कुछ भी कर लो भाई, सोना नहीं है उस 20 to 30 मिनट्स में. बिकॉज व्हेन वी रेस्ट आवर स्किन ऑल्सो कम्स टू द रेस्ट, कि मतलब बॉडी एक रेस्ट मोड में चली जाती है, सो बेटर अब्जॉर्ब नहीं हो पाएगा. You might be thinking that it is quite illogical, but it is so you should not do something like that. Don't sleep with your mask on. So the fifth mistake is that most of the girls prefer applying moisturizer before masking. It is a wrong step, because moisturizer will act as a barrier or something, a film, due to which mask इतना अच्छा absorb नहीं हो पाएगा skin में. So if you want to apply moisturizer after masking, you can apply the same, but I don't think इतना necessary है वो step, because the mask the main motive of the mask is to provide hydration to your skin and to boost the glow of your skin. So I think we don't need any sort of moisturizer. And my one tip to you guys is that avoid washing your face after applying the mask. Take the optimal use of the mask as you can. ओके, बट अच्छे वे में करना, कुछ भी बकवास करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. सो अवॉइड वॉशिंग योर फेस आफ्टर द मास्क. वॉश करना ही नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है, बट योर स्किन वेयर फॉर 4 to 5 hours, एंड देन उसके बाद आप वॉश भी कर सकते हो. बिकॉज also guys, you must be thinking that how many times a week or in a day we should use that for optimum results. So there is no hard and fast rule as such. Some people also use it daily. Instead of serum you can replace this mask, any mask, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And otherwise you can also use it for 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also share this with your friends as well. So let me know your views on it in the comment section below. Also, if you have tried this, then kitna baar also but hai na wo theek hai. So if you have tried this, then let me know your reviews also in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram as well if you're not following me yet. The link is in description box below. So lots of love, guys. Bye.